Okay, our last bag is white and it is the largest contribution of elements. As I mentioned in the black bag, you have these kind of vehicle shaped looking parts here. These are just a little bit extended out. And you have four of those 2x10s and 2x12s up here. More slanted tile pieces, circular parts here. These can go on top of parts in turn. I didn't see a base for the turntable. I have a 1x2, 4, 6, 8, 1x8 Technic brick, 1x4 Technic brick, which have the holes in it, and these little like footing claw teeth pieces, which you can do a side insert on as well, so they're not too wide where they restrict that opportunity. We have a large variety of eyes, and I placed this one on here to show that it doesn't go at a angle straight, but it does go into a slanted segment here. So I tried to do a segment of 2 up and out, 2 up and in, 2 down and out, and 2 down and in. You can see where the personality, if you may, changes a little bit here and gives you another part of to speculate or spectacle of different parts there. A large contribution of eyes as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 eyes here. So a lot of characteristics you can add to this. This is the same. I did pull this tilt piece out. This is the same here. Not a lot of elements are duplicated in another color, but this one is the same. I saw this and figured I'd pull it out. So if you're curious, the brick systems did change through. These are all frictionless pins here, so everything that goes onto this would move freely here. And this is a new piece that I'm not familiar with. I've seen some with half the size on it, but this has connectors in the back for pegs, and even a longer modular piece can go through with an axle and then connect on the front side to stabilize something or such. So I'm sure you can probably get that in there, but that will be, well, okay, it's not too bad to get out there. So that's a different part here. This was sold, wow, I don't know how long ago this was, but this is a very, very old piece, and I don't remember it coming all the way as a U, but it does come in a angle here, and I'm talking over 20 years ago this piece was released to make more so differential parts and to change angles in a lot of different models. Very sturdy, and now they have a full U. I don't think I have a full U. I have to look at my collection to see if I have one that's all the way around, but very nice. I would like to see how this is going to work in the models, probably more for stability. So this is the last bag. We do have a couple more elements to show. I want to show the rack gears and the one plate that's in here as well. Thank you guys. If you see something in here you want more questions about, put your comments down and I will reply back as soon as I can. All right, see you guys next time.